NBC26 meteorologist Gino Recchia.
We've got some chilly weather this morning, especially with values near or even below zero. We've got -2 in Green Bay, 13 below in Mountain, 6 below in Pembine, and 2 below in Fond du Lac. But it feels even colder because with the light winds we're seeing out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, it's feeling in the negative teens. 17 below is the actual wind chill right now in Green Bay. It just updated to 20 below in Oconto, 10 below in Ephraim, and 16 below in Manitowoc. It is the first official day of winter. Winter solstice arrives later this afternoon after 3 p.m. And it seems like we're getting everything all together for today. Cold weather to start and then some snowfall later on this evening. A low pressure system that is developing over the eastern Rockies. It's going to be a prolonged system. We'll first see a little bit of snowfall late tonight before another round moves in as we head into the day tomorrow into Friday, maybe even some lingering flurries Saturday morning. Because of this, look at all the winter weather headlines, winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, blizzard warnings in parts of Minnesota, and a large area of winter storm watches in effect across the Great Lakes, all the way down into Louisville, Kentucky, up towards Marquette, Michigan. Snow showers are starting to develop right now off towards the west, and it doesn't seem that deceiving, but as we head into the overnight, the coverage will be increasing as some of that Gulf moisture transports up to the north. So for the first round of this system, we've got a winter weather advisory from tonight until tomorrow morning. We're expecting several inches of accumulating snowfall, about 3 to 6 inches. The lowest totals probably by the lakeshore. Highest totals will be mainly northwest of the Fox Valley. I'm thinking probably maybe 3 to 4, pushing maybe 5 inches from, let's say, Fond du Lac up towards Green Bay, and then closer towards a half foot up towards Anago. Light winds out of this round, so we're not concerned about a whole lot of blowing and drifting. The winds come later, and that'll be later tomorrow afternoon and carrying over into Saturday morning. With that, on top of some light snowfall, we've got a winter storm watch. We're certainly concerned for the potential, not so much for the heavy snowfall, but the blowing and drifting snow that could cause some blizzard conditions. Light fluffy snowfall, you've got gusty winds 40 to 50 miles per hour. That's going to cause some pretty treacherous travel conditions out on the roads. And we've had some of these issues in the last couple of years. There was a huge pileup on 41 a couple of years ago because of near whiteout conditions. So if you have to travel, honestly, right now, today, for the first half, is going to be nice if you're going down to the south. But later after, it's going to get a little dicey. For most of the day today, we'll be seeing pretty much cloudy skies by the afternoon and evening. Then comes the snowfall overnight tonight, and it'll be coming down at a pretty good clip. When we wake up tomorrow morning, we'll have several inches on the ground. Could get a little lull as we head into the morning hours. Here's how much snowfall we could expect as we wake up by the morning and head into the afternoon. You can see already by 2:30, some areas expecting near a half foot of snowfall west of the Fox Valley, with about 3 to 5 inches along the lakeshore near the Fox cities. Then as we head later on into the afternoon and evening, we have another light band of snowfall that hugs, I would say, along and east of Highway 41, and that could stick around here as we head into the morning hours on Friday and last into the afternoon. With this additional light snowfall, and when we add everything together, probably talking around 6 to 9 inches of snow total for the whole system. But as I was mentioning, it's the gusty winds that we're certainly concerned about, so not much wind flow coming in during the day on Thursday. But look what happens later Thursday night. Powerful gusty winds approaching 40 to 50 miles per hour, and this lasts throughout the day on Friday into Saturday morning. This is Christmas Eve, still dealing with gusty winds and wind chills probably well below into the negative teens for the morning on Christmas Eve. 13 for the afternoon high temperatures, southeast winds 5 to 10. As we head into tonight, temperatures will actually warm up as we head into the overnight hours of snowfall moving in. Tomorrow, 26, but that'll be in the morning before cold air moves in on the backside. We're going with a high of 14 on Friday and struggling to even get near the lower teens on Saturday and Sunday before maybe a slight chance of snowfall on Monday, high of 15. So it's going to be a cold Christmas holiday, Noel. For some folks that are not really looking forward to these bitterly cold temperatures, There's actually some warmer temperatures as we get close towards New Year's Eve. Might even do some melting in the snowfall.
Good to know. There you go. We have a white Christmas. We have a chilly Christmas.
We got everything.
We do. Thanks, Gino. According